Today, I will show you how to create custom QR code in Python. Let's import our QR code module. QR code module is not built in Python. You have to download it manually. Now, I will store the data that I want to display on my QR code in data variable. In my case, it's the link to my YouTube channel. Next is the size of my QR code and the actual QR code. So, I will store that in QR variable. The function that I need to call is from QR code class, and it's called QR code, like this. This function has a lot of variables. I will show some of them. First is version. Version represents the size of your QR code. It has values from 1 until 40, and the bigger the size, the better your QR code is going to be. It will have less mistakes. In my case, I'll just write 5. Next useful parameter is box size. Box size represents the size of your black squares. In my case, I'll just write 10. And border is how close you want your QR code to the edges. I'll just write 2. Next, we need to fill this QR code with data. To do that, I need to call QR and then add data function and pass the data. My QR code is ready, but I don't have a way to see it. So I can store that in an image. Image will be equal to qrcode.makeImage. And this will work perfectly fine, but here you have an option to customize your QR code even further. For example, you can choose the color of your boxes. In my case, I want, for example, green. And also, you have an option to choose a color for your background. You can choose any color you want, but you can go even a step further and choose the transparent background. And the only thing that remains now is to save this image in some folder. If I write image.save, and here I have to pass the name of my image. For example, in my case, it will be called qrcode.png. And now when I run this, I will have my image created. The image will be stored in the same folder as your project. As you can see, my helper is in Learning Python folder, and my QR code is stored there as well. And as you can see, here is my QR code. Boxes are size 10, it's transparent, and it has these boxes that are green. Did you like this module? Check out my video on the math module. You'll thank me later. And don't forget to subscribe.